Yo, what's up and welcome back again to my channel. So this is my tank build. Ay, hindi yan. Nasaan na ba yun? Ito pala, ito. So this is my after 1 year, siguro 1 year. Tagal 1 year ah. So it's not really 1 year. Kasi nag-play naman ako nung I played in December and January. December from January naglaro tayo ng Mirror, ng Rohan. So naglaro tayo ng Rohan, nakakuha tayo ng libreng item. So ngayon ko lang ginamit yung item. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga item na nakuha natin nung December and January. So this is what we got in the previous of Mirror. This accessory and the set of costume. So before, I'm planning to buy so iniisip ko na hindi pala ako maglalaro nito. So hindi muna ako bumili kasi mahirap bumili dito ng item ay ng magpa-load dito sa mahirap magpa-load dito, mahirap. So hindi ka basta-basta dito makakapagpa-load pag nasa Pilipinas ka. So kailangan mo ng counting skill para magpa-load nito. Dapat meron ka ng tinatawag na buying online skill. So pag wala kang buying online skill, hindi ka agad makakabili ng mga item sa item mode. So dapat meron ka ng buying online skill. So dapat marunong ka na mag-buy sa online, kahit saang online. So pag hindi ka pa marunong talaga, hindi ka makakabili. So mahirap dito bumili. So ang pinaka dito, buying skill dito, saka ako nagagawa ng video yan. Pag magbabay na talaga tayo ng So yung bibiling ko rito, siguro kung may bibilin ako rito, yung SES yung paglagay dito, SES. And then siguro mga ganito, talisman, ayan, yung ganito, ayan. So sa costume naman, maganda rin magbili ka rin sa costume. So yun ang kung di ka makabili ng ganito, tawag dito, etong ganito, yung ASES, yung pang upgrade ng level 7 na skill. So pwede sa costume lang. May costume naman ako din na dito eh. Nasaan na ba yun? So may costume ako dito. Saan na yung costume ko? Nasa yata wardrobe. Nasa wardrobe. Ito mga ganito, ayun wrist slot. So laro-laro tayo siguro. Kung may bibiling ka rin talaga dito, bumili ka na lang ng crown. So bibili ka ng crown. Bili ka ng crown. So maganda yun. Bili ka ng mga 1 trillion crown. Magkano kaya yun 1 trillion crown? Marami ka nang mabibili dito pag meron kang 1 trillion crown. Tingnan natin kung ano mabibili mo rito. Ignil. So ito mabibili mo sa 2 trillion crown. Ayan ganda na to Tapos palitan mo, malakas to, plus 30. So bala ko sana ay plus 6 lang, 100B, mura na to, 100B. So ano ba yung ngayon? Celestial, hanapin natin Celeste. Ano yan? Enchanted Celeste. Yan, pag ganito ang inaano mo, Transcended Celestial. Yan, ito ang pinaka latest na ngayon. Tangin na 2 billion. Ito maganda. Melee attack. Health 100%. So maganda lang dito, hindi nila nagwa 100% drop damage. Maganda to 100 heads, 100 Ang kagandahan lang kasi dito sa Celestial, malakas yung ano niya, damage, no, yung weapon 4,000. So malakas yung damage mo dito pag 4,000 na. Ayan, no, 4,000, no, stop, 4,000 din. So papalo ka rito ng ano, mga 1 million. Kung plus 30, 1 million pag plus 30. Maganda pala to, tumataas yung ano. Tingnan natin, ha. Compare natin. Ito plus 7. Ito compare natin plus 15. Tingnan mo kung tataas yung damage, ha. Plus 15 yan. Pag tumaas yung damage yan, ibig sabihin maganda yan. Ay hindi. 3361. Tingnan natin kung may mahanap tayong wala nang iba. So ano ba? Ito. Plus 5. Ito plus 1. Tingnan natin kung tataas yung damage. Ano ba to? Sword? Dual sword. Yan, 2811, ha. So dapat pag tumaas yung damage yan, maganda. Ayan, maganda to. Maganda tong item na to. So maganda tong ano, pan-damage talaga to. So yung Ignil, ilan ba yung Ignil? So medyo mura lang kasi yung Ignil, eh. Tingnan natin kung ilang damage nito. Ayun, 1,000 lang. Mababa masyado yung damage nito. Mababa masyado. Ito plus 8, 1174. Pag nag plus 30, 1174 pa rin. So ang tumataas lang dito yung stat lang. Pero maganda na rin to. Hindi ko lang alam kung pwede pa tong i-upgrade Transcended Ignil na to. Dapat meron pa. Meron pang next sa Ignil. Dapat meron pang next sa Ignil. So dapat yun ang gawa nila ng paraan, yung next sa Ignil. Ano kasi tong ito, crafted. Tapos yung ano, Celestial. Ano yan? Forge weapon. Ito crafted lang to. So dapat, di ko lang alam, di pa natin updated, hindi pa tayo updated sa ano. So siguro next video na ito, gagawa ako ng ano. So let's see how's my tank build reach 1 million HP. So siguro I think this murder mission is very helpful. So this is my stat, 15k. So ipapakita ko na lang yung full video nito, ilalagay ko sa link. Meron tayong full video nito ginawa kanina. And then this is my other. So hindi pa pala to ano, dexterity. Hindi pa rin pala to ano. Ito lang palang advance. And this one, I get this in the event in December 2023. This all 15 days. And also this one, it's all in one. It's all in one with this, all of this. And from that package is included this sealed impressive all. It's included here, and this is also included in the package. So merong event, the event is quick cooler. Di pa natin alam yung quick cooler na yan. So kung sa Mirror sa dito, mas gusto kong gastusan to ito. Dito ako gagastos talaga. Kung sa Mirror, kasi maganda yung ano rito yung PVP. Maganda yung PVP rito. Sa Mirror kasi masyadong mahal yung ano yung gastos mo, tapos wala namang gaanong PVP ano doon, game. So maganda rito PVP pag mga 10 million HP. Maganda rito yung PvP. So bakit hindi tayo nagpi-PvP? Why I'm not really into PvP here? Because I want is to be in high level 25. I want this to make it 50. So magiging tayo ultra high level. That is one thing when you want to be in the PvP mode. Make this up to you level 0 or more. That is one you have license in PvP mode. Or you can use this item here. This is a very advanced item. So this one will make you 10 confirm stat. So pwede kang mag-add ng confirm stat. Yata yan. So pwede kang maglagay ng kung anong build mo. Kunyari pag nag-ano ka, madadagdagan ng 10. Tapos yung iba halo-halo na. So 10 confirm stat. So gagastos ka ng crown. Alam ko gagastos ka ng crown dun eh. So crown yung gagastosin. So kaya mahal dito yun. Kaya ano dito, kailangan mo talaga ng crown. So more on crown farming dito. More on crown farming. At the same time, if you are not too busy, you can make your own weapon. If you have the guts to manage to create your own weapon. So dapat alam mo na yung magagandang stat yan. So ito mga pangit yan, pangit. Pambenta lang yan, pambenta. So alam ko naman dito yung maganda at pangit eh. So I know the item here. I know all the item here. If it's good or not good. If it's very ugly or very beautiful. If the item is very beautiful, I know that. So this is very ugly. All of this is ugly. So I will going to sell this in the NPC. When it's get full enough, I cannot loot anymore. So that's all the item here will go in the NPC when it's not very good enough. So check it out. Pasilip ko yung stat ko. Oh, ayan. So ito nabibili rin sa item mall. This you can also you can obtain this in the item mall. So maganda rin to if you are starting up or just playing around. So better to have this one. Is good 10 days. So marami ka na magagawa sa 10 days. Yan gusto mo mang karnal, mang PK ka. If you have the guts to have enemy, you can also PK. If you are PK person, you can PK what you want. But before, everyone here is have more than 1M. I think everyone here is have a character is more than 1M HP. So better to choose your enemy. Better to choose your enemy or not PK anymore. If you don't have a character of 1M HP or 3M HP. So for me, I don't have any much more than 1M for now, but I can make it up. This Mancanorena, I can make it up is 2 million HP. Up to 2 million, I can make it 2 million HP. But it is only temporary. The good thing is when you have an item, a very good item, It's not is a permanent stat. So if you have a permanent good item, you can have 1 million HP permanently in game. As you play, you have already 1 million HP. So HP is the very ano nga yan? It's a very helpful thing when you want to play this in when you want to be very happy to play this game. Always to have a goal to get 1 million HP. This HP 195k. I don't want to be in that 195 HP anymore. For me, for all my character siguro, all my character is now reaching up to 200 HP. 200 HP. That is my default stat. Ang Canorina stat is 500 HP. So up, I can make it up to 600 when it gets high level 50. I think it will have a permanent HP up to 700k. So my physical defense is 93. It's very tank build because of this buff. After this buff it will go down to 70k PDEF. You know, 70k. See, 77k PDEF. So this is a mirror dungeon. They adapt the Mirror 4. They adapt the Mirror 4 platform. They have a 2 channel in Kiora. I think all the mirror have 2 channel. All the mirror dungeon have 2 channel now. So see, I'm in 2nd channel. First channel is so crowded, there are no spot anymore. So that is my tank build. Okay, that's enough. Please subscribe to my channel and help my YouTube to grow. Thank you very much and see you on my next video. And watch my full video. How I can manage to make it 1 million HP. How is my HP before 1 million HP? You will see. I will post the whole video. I made it earlier today. See you and bye bye.